What's going on, everybody? Welcome back. There is another coin out there going absolutely insane. We called this a $30 million market cap, ran all the way to 100 million, pulled back. And is there a chance that we're going to see some all-time highs once again? That's right. We're going to talk about Refund token. There's some pretty interesting news about this one. And everybody right now in crypto is talking about it. So we're going to break it all down for you. But before we do that, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Click that notification bell so you know when we go live, 4 p.m. Eastern every single day and upload our latest content. And with that being said, let's get into Refund. So new designed website. I'm not going to kind of go through it as a full review, but I want to give you a flavor of what it's like. Take a look at the price action and are we about to see a potential all-time high again. So this is done by a big whale, Blur.eth, a massive whale in the space, according to the website, 9 figures. And we have actually seen him injecting huge amounts of liquidity into this token. We saw 100 ETH injection into the LP for Refund token. So there's an absolute desire that everybody succeeds in this. Now, this one blew up. Like I said, we caught it about 30 million, got in on the channel and then ran all the way up to 100 million, broke a zero, but then did pull back quite significantly. We take a look at the chart here. This was the initial run up, all the way topping out at 10,806 before a pretty sharp pullback all the way down, bottomed out 4794, but then its second stint once again up to testing that $100 million market cap. Now, interestingly, did once again get rejected. This is going to be interesting to see over the course of the next couple of days. Is there truly going to be a push for the summit of the mountain? That's going to be the question that's on everybody's mind. If I'm honest, the volume does feel there. However, the volume is starting to flow through centralized exchanges as opposed to those decentralized exchanges. I always think it does lose a little bit of momentum as this kind of pushes up. Now, we can see this 8-9 level is a really key part. We've tested it a number of times and got rejected, as well as that 9765 that we want to see this push through. Now, like I said, there is some massive volume coming into Refund token, and whenever you get the kind of few key elements of really getting a coin going viral, we saw this with Pepe, which is everybody talking about it, massive whale buys in, huge amounts of liquidity and exchanges buying it, and Refund token right now does feel like it has a lot of those. When we take a look at what's going on, we see 9,464 holders, so still relatively early, which is a good sign, but at the same time, it is something to be mindful of. The fact that we're under 10,000 holders does mean there is some big wallets holding onto this. Now, if you take a look at here, you can see quite a number of big wallets on holdings, with some up around 1.7%, 1.5% there on MEXC. Now, there isn't a ton of exchanges. You see KuCoin listed there and MEXC. There is still a lot of potential with Refund coin. And this is the key thing. We're going to need to see some big exchanges list in order to push this coin that little bit harder. Now, before we go any further, I would really appreciate you guys to support a young man that we are supporting on the channel. So Tristan, he is one of the sons of a key community member of one of mine, is doing this kind of health and fitness as part of kind of rehabilitation, supporting others. If you could just come over to the website, link will be in the description down below. Click on free daily vote. It costs nothing. It's not going to sign you up to anything. It does support Tristan. He's going to give some of this money away to charity. It's a fantastic, fantastic thing to do by such a fantastic young man. So if anyone could just click free daily vote, would really, really support Tristan in terms of what he's doing. Now, getting back to Refund coin, and Corey here, shout out to him, Crypto Corey, putting a bit of a thread together for Refund that I wanted to kind of run through and gives us the latest in what's going on, so you guys know exactly what's happening. We see their market cap 75 million, holders 9,000. We did talk about that. It's on its way up to 10,000. But what's coming? Well, 18 exchanges currently list Refund token. You can see a lot of them there. Bitmart, Bitforex, BingX, Gate.io being a tier 1, MEXC, CoinXZT, KuCoin, the other tier 1. We're not seeing some of these bigger ones, these kind of, Bitfinex, Pullinex, all these kind of other exchanges. It needs to continue to build out like we saw with Pepe. Now, again, this did run quicker than Pepe, so we'll see if there is more to come with this one. The chart we'll take a look at in just a second. And then what's really interesting is we get messages from the developer through Etherscan. I've never seen this done before, but very, very interesting as a number of these come through in terms of what they look like. We're seeing billboards. Now, I always debate whether billboards are community members as opposed to projects, but at the same time, we are seeing Refund coins up on billboards. And then at the same, there's a lot of people talking about it, a lot of people on crypto Twitter talking about it, as well as in YouTube, lots of people. And we're also seeing it trending quite significantly over on Twitter. So all in all, pretty bullish for what is, kind of coming with Refund token, as well as that kind of continuation. So when we take a look finally just at at the chart, like I said, we're currently sitting at 8342. It is up 47% on the day, which is an absolutely insane run. Is there more legs within this one? If this fails, I think to really push on, it could unfortunately see the end of Refund token. And yet again, it will be another coin with a huge potential that just seems to fall foul. And right now, when we take a look at the market, we aren't seeing huge amounts of new money coming in. This is recycled money, depending on what the next big pump is. So look, let me know what you think in the comments down below. Refund coin, do you think it could be the next Pepe? Do you genuinely think we're going to see 100 million on this coin, or do you think we've already seen its peak? Let me know down below in the comments. And if you enjoy the content and you want to stay up to date with everything with meme coins, you know what to do. Subscribe to the channel, smash a like on this video, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye-bye.